Good morning, children. This is session 14 for class 9. The same chapter I am continuing with, chapter 4, atomic structure and chemical bonding. Today I will tell you some examples of atoms attaining chemical activity. How do they attain chemical reaction, or how do they react with each other? In this, first of all, we will take sodium. As you know, sodium, it has 11 atomic number and mass number 23, and electronic configuration will be what? How many electrons are there? 11 atomic number. Proton will also be 11 and electrons will also be 11. So it will be 281. Now, how will it gain stable electronic configuration? Stable means to have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. It will lose 1 electron. So if it will lose this electron, so its electronic configuration will be 2 8. Now the outermost shell will be having 8 electrons, so it will become stable. So by loss of 1 electron from its valence shell, it will become stable, and it will form cation. When sodium will lose 1 electron, then it will form cation Na1+. It will carry 1 positive charge when it will lose 1 electron, right? Now what about the chlorine? Chlorine, it has 17 electrons, 35 mass number, atomic number is 17. Then it will have its electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means distribution of these 17 electrons in various shells, 2, 8 and 7. Now 2, 8 and 7 means that how will it gain stable electronic configuration? When it will gain 1 electron from some atom of some other element, then this will also have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. So chlorine, it will gain 1 electron to become chloride ion, and it will become stable. When 1 electron will come from outside, then this will also become 8 to 8, 8, right? Now sodium will lose 1 electron and chlorine will gain 1 electron, and both of them will become stable. So now you see here, sodium, it has electronic configuration of 2, 8, 1. 1 electron is, you can say it is extra, by it will donate this electron to chlorine in the formation of NaCl. As it has 1 electron less to become stable, so it will gain 1 electron. Chlorine atom will become, this is the configuration of chlorine atom, it will gain 1 electron and it will also become stable. 7 electron, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 electron from here sodium will donate, and it will have 8 electron in its outermost shell. Two oppositively charged ions, they are formed, they attract each other, and held this force of attraction arises due to oppositively charged ions, and they keep the two atoms together in a compound, sodium chloride. Now this type of bond, which is formed by the transference of electron from metal to non-metal, is termed as equivalent bond. Now how do nitrogen will form its molecule N2? Nitrogen, it has 7 atomic number, so proton will also be 7 and electron will also be 7, and this is the electronic configuration of nitrogen's 2 and 5. So 5 electrons will come in its outermost shell. The other atom will also have 5 electrons. So what will happen? This 5 means it requires 3 electrons to become stable, right? So they will share 3 electrons with each other. In this way, 3 electrons of this nitrogen will be shared with the 3 electrons. So now the atoms will become 5, 6, 7, 8, and here also it is 5, 6, 7. So both of them will become stable, that atom, and it will form a molecule of nitrogen, right? So we can also draw in this way, that this is 2 atoms of nitrogen here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron are shared by each other and two of its own. So this is the nitrogen molecule. This type of bond formed by the sharing of electron is called covalent bonding, and this molecule is called covalent compound. This is called electrovalent. NaCl is an electrovalent bond. An electrovalent bond exists in this NaCl between Na and Cl, and the compound is called electrovalent bond. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe.